Okay guys, welcome back. The last episode we said you're gonna be adding obstacles, so I ended up adding some obstacles in my scene. As you can see, I have a lot of obstacles here, and each obstacles should be added. Like here we have 3 obstacles. Here we have 1 2 3 2 obstacles. We have 1 2 3 3 obstacles, so just like that. And when you add each obstacle to your prefab, add a tag that says obstacle here, because we're going to be making use of it very soon. And also, if your it doesn't have a collider, maybe a bus collider, you might want to add one to it. So that's it. So I would have added a lot of obstacles here, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I think this is just fine. But you can take your time and add the obstacles, in a way that you want to. So I ended up creating a empty game object GUI manager, and I created the script GUI manager. So I created a canvas. Just right click UI, create a canvas, then under the canvas create a panel, remove the image component of the panel, and then we added a little text and a button. Here's the text, the game over text, and the button. Just click here UI, you will see here you add the text, and here is the button. So, and then you can change the color like mine from here. Just tap here and then choose your desired color. I just did this so to save quick time and everything. So that's it for our GUI. So I'm gonna untick this. So let me guide you guys what's happened in my GUI manager. Over here in my GUI manager, I created the instance because you're going to be accessing it from another script. Then a boolean game over, which is false at start, means that the game over is false, so the game is not yet over. And then a private game over panel, which I made serialized field, means it will be visible in the inspector. And of course, if instance is non-instance, what it is. Then I have a game over method that sets the game over to true, and then the game over panel to true. Now go over to your character motor script and then create a uncontroller collider hits. Okay, yes, because here your to handle obstacles while moving on trigger end that doesn't handle that, you need uncontroller collider hit. Understand? Since we are using character controller, sorry. And then we have case obstacle, and then we have our game over method, and then break. Here in the game over method, we are setting an animation trigger to that, and then the GUI manager, we are setting the game over method, this game over method in the GUI manager, which is setting the game over to true. And then also we might want to go to your at the beginning of your update and say if GUI manager.instance.gameover is equal to true, return. That means if game over is true, don't do anything, just don't do anything. Also go to your camera motor and then repeat the same thing there. If GUI manager.instance.gameover is true, return. So because the update runs every frame, so once the game is over, we don't want all this here running in the background. Okay, so we just want everything to stop. So that's it. Then minimize, save your page, your script, sorry, rather, and then I think we should do just fine now. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, oh, my jumping is too much. Okay, you see that we have a game over, and then here, but nothing happens yet because nothing is happening yet. So that's it. We have been able to detect collision. Let's play a little while longer. Let's see what's happened. Okay. Whoa. Ow. You see that? Okay. You might decide to, maybe hide the player when this happens, or maybe, just maybe, this game over panel, we might actually, I think we should add that image component back. Yeah, we should really add that image component back. Oh, what's happening here? Seriously. Okay. It's too whitish. It's gonna, let's make it something like, I don't know, something like this. Yeah, something like this, and it covers your screen. So let's get back in. Now when we run and hit the obstacle, that's game over. And so just as simple as that, we have done it. We have accomplished our game over screen and UI and detect our obstacles. So thank you guys. In the next tutorials, we are gonna be making these buttons work in the GUI. We're going to be, let's move a little bit out from the game mechanics and let's look a little bit in the GUI. So we're gonna be working on the play button, the home button, and then of course we're going to be adding a new scene, which is the home scene, and then doing some little UI designing. Okay guys, thank you guys, and see you in the next episode.